Bro, this finna yeet your brain into another dimension. Hold up. Crafting an absolute beast of a gaming rig for just $1,500? Say less, let's get into it. First up, we're snagging the AMD Ryzen 7 7800X3D for just $399. Absolute steal for that 3D V-Cache magic. This absolute unit of a CPU will eat anything you throw at it and ask for seconds. Next up, we're locking in the NVIDIA RTX 4070 Ti Super for $799. Sheesh, this thing's gonna shred frames like butter. Say hello to god-tier graphics and gameplay so smooth it's basically liquid. For the motherboard, we're rolling with the MSI B650 Tomahawk WiFi, solid choice for just $199. Rock solid performance with effortless overclocking. Now let's talk RAM, aka your PC's brain juice. 32 GB of DDR5 6000 MHz for just $99. Hella speed for hella cheap. Run 50 tabs, stream, and game all at once, no sweat. Storage? We feasting. 1 TB NVMe SSD, Samsung 980 Pro for just $89. Load times? Gone. Powering this beast is the 750W Gold Corsair RM750e for just $99. No cap, this thing's built different. Stable, efficient, and won't let you down. And to wrap it up, we're locking in the sleek Lian Li Lancool 216 case for just $99, because power deserves style. Clean AF and keeps your rig chill, no sweat. And there it is, chat. Peak price to performance, no compromises. The ultimate $1,500 gaming rig, built different. Locked, loaded, and ready to frag. You in? Smash that like sub for more banger builds and stay cracked.